All right, what are we working on today, Duncan?
Today is shifter. We're shifting gears here at Switch. Yes, so this thing is our shifter that will attach to our Volkswagen transaxle. It needs to be suspended in space somewhere in this neighborhood where it will line up with the shaft relatively straight. We have a universal joint that'll go in there, so we have a little bit of flexibility.
And then how many gears is it going to be?
Well, the transmission is a 4-speed with a reverse.
4-speed.
So with the 4-speed with the reverse, and this being the reverse lockout, so you can't accidentally go into reverse. Right there.
Is that like a parking brake?
Parking brake is a separate apparatus altogether. That is going to get mounted here. And this will run 2 cables. It'll pull on a split cable to the rear calipers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But as far as this shifter goes, we have to, again, suspend it out here in space in a pretty relevant position to both the steering wheel, so we're in a good ergonomic position, which I've already done some of the setup on that.
Will there be like welding? Are they going to mount like a bracket?
Well, what I'm in this whole theory is that if this kit comes to an individual, a builder, that they don't have to do any welding. Just drill and bolt more than anything. So they are going to make some cuts, and they're going to drill, and they will install nutserts or through bolts at any of these reattaching points. Because we have adapted what was supposed to only be a differential, which is now a complete transaxle, which of course is a transmission with a differential in it, attached to our motor out the back. And then all of our battery weight will be up in the engine compartment. Yeah, so the mission for today is to get this mounted in space to where it is ergonomically correct and structurally sound.
Awesome, awesome. I'm going to let you get back to work, Duncan.
All right, Brandon, thank you for touching base.
Heck yeah.
And have a great morning.